Hello, and welcome back. This is episode 3 of my video series documenting the making of the Close Encounters Mothership 3D printable model. The end of this video marks the halfway point on this model, which will be available as a 3D printable mesh scalable to suit your needs, from 5 inches to 5 feet. This video documents the detailing of the upper sloped tier, the antenna plate, more Easter eggs, the upside-down city, and the canister ring. Before this speed sculpt starts, I wanted to share the very first 3D print of this project, the top city. Even printed at this small scale, the microscopic lampposts all printed perfectly. This will give you some idea of what this model will look like when it's fully realized as a 3D print. At the end of this video, you'll see a preview of how I'm engineering this model to separate for easier 3D printing. I'm carefully separating the components at natural breakpoints and maintaining flat, featureless, level bottoms, making 3D printing much smoother. In future episodes, I'll detail the plan for lighting the model using hollowing features in 3D slicing software. This model is currently available for pre-order through my website, linked in this video's description. Let's get back to the speed sculpt and pick up where I left off in episode 2. Thanks for watching. In episode 4, we'll finish the 3D sculpting by detailing the curved hull and modeling the dozens of beacons, antennae, cranes, and catwalks. If you're interested in 3D printing this model, contact me through the links in this video description. Take care.